So now that I've shown you all the individual steps on how to key an order, I'm going to now go into an actual key an order. So when we come into the screen, we can't do anything. So we click New. We'll type in our account code. So it's BG1000. Okay. And we can tab or save. It's showing us our delivery address. We're happy with that delivery address. So we hit save. Purchase order number. We type in is 1054. Okay, and order credit type is AA for a sales order. Transport code we're putting in is DXROI. So once we have all that information, we can save. This will bring us to our next screen. Now it says here, customer's credit is not okay. It did not check for any overdue invoices. So this means that this customer is on hold. So in order for us to take this off hold, we key the order. So we hit release order. Okay, now it'll show us our 4 Enniskillen warehouse. So we can save past that. Save. Now we can start keying an order. So we can start typing again. If you do not know the part number, you can search in here as well. In this case we do. So it's FE1009 tab. Show us all our extra text to do with that part. So we hit save. And we want one of them. So one, save our tab. Save, and then this is our price that will invoice before VAT. So it's 40.52 plus 4 VAT. So we save. Okay to add. Now just here, just check your eye, make sure it's the correct warehouse, but it should be, because when you first put on the order, you physically allocate the warehouse. So okay to add, yes, okay. Now it's asking you to select, so all we do is select is make sure your warehouse is Enniskillen or Quarantine or yes, so whatever one warehouse you want to affect. So it's Enniskillen we're happy with, and 1, so we can choose that lot. Save. And we can put on our next orders. So it's FE1008 for 1, so tab again. So 1 as well. Save 2686. Just hit Control saving, and we're going to allocate 1 to there. Save. Escape. And we'll add carriage on this. So there's 2 parts. We're going to add 2 for carriage. So it's 2. Stock. Okay, yes. Save. And the price, in this case, it's £3 each. Typo if it's not, overtyped there. Save. Okay. Again, just double check that's EN. Save. Okay to add. And that is how we key an order.